EZCO Milk Coffee Frother Rechargeable. 3 adjustable speeds handheld electric milk foam mixer maker blender with double whisk for coffee, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate drinks, egg. USB rechargeable milk frother. EZCO handheld electric milk frother built-in rechargeable battery with updated technology. No need to replace battery frequently. Lasts a long time on a single charge. Better than battery-powered. Great for mixing coffee, latte, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. Powerful coffee mixer. A rechargeable mixer for coffee has 3 adjustable whisking speeds, allow you to choose the different speeds according to your need. The higher speed you choose, the less time you will spend, and the more exquisite foam you will create. Easy to use and clear. The portable frother for milk coffee come with 2 premium food-grade stainless steel whisk. One is great for coffee, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate drinks, gives that professional finishing touch to your drinks. Another one is great for blending egg, some batter, cake, pancake, which is a good helper for kitchen. Great for coffee lover. The milk foam maker is lightweight and has ergonomically designed soft touch handle. Use this blender for mixing things like chocolate milk or something like that, just mixing liquids and powders together, which is perfect. Let them enjoy the interest and convenience of making chocolate or cappuccino at home. Important tips: holding the power button for 2 seconds to turns the device off instead of cycling through all the speeds. Package included 1x milk frother, 1x egg whisk head, 1x USB cable, 1x instruction. Any issue, please feel free to contact us via message.we will respond to you ASAP. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.